I've had enough of DMCs.
Yeah. If there was an ex-London vehicles, then yeah.
Well, if it was, I'd be asking the driver to let me off.
Hmm?
I said if it was, then I'd just politely ask to let, if he could let me off.
Yeah.
Then I could chase it.
Yeah. Same.
I have a bad feeling that someone's going to stick their arm out for this bus that's not scheduled.
Oh yeah.
I've actually had a few that actually stop for people though.
Yeah, yeah. They probably think it was a.
There's a 77 right behind us.
Yeah, they probably think it was a route number. Well, it's not. It's a well replacement. They need to read.
You know what I do when I get to front seat?
Yeah.
I've done this quite a lot today actually. With I did it quite a bit on the way to Clapham Junction this morning. Around 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Or 8 o'clock even. I'll just point the front like this. Just point the front.
Oh yeah, same here. Like read the blinds.
Or what I did once earlier this morning, I just went.
Yeah, good idea. Make people look.
Tell them use your eyes. Or something.
Use your eyes. There for
Well,
you.
then you get some drivers that do actually stop.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I had this the other week.
If they did that, that would be a W driver. But most drivers
Well, not
won't.
really, because they're one of the type of drivers that go too small. They're that type of driver that make you late.
Yeah. Most speed limits around London's 20 miles per hour.
I know, it's ridiculous. But most of the drivers don't even follow them.
Yeah, they just probably just want to speed up. But well, as long as there's no speed cameras around, then that's not an issue. But if there was, then yeah.
Yeah, just slow down for the speed camera as soon as you pass it.
Yeah, if they flash you, then you'll get points on your licence. It's not our problem, it's your problem.
Yeah, true.
Because once I was in the Uber taxi, then we was on the like a motorway and stuff, and apparently a camera flashed that some of like over speeding over 70 miles per hour. You just get one of them on the motorways as well.
Oh, I don't trust Uber.
Yeah, Uber drivers are just being silly.
They're dangerous.
And black cab drivers as well, they're completely shit.
I don't even get a taxi.
Yeah, well, once I went on one of the London black cab taxis, apparently the drivers are rude. Just being moody or something like that.
Oh, they're always moody.
That's why I don't like black cabs, I prefer buses as well. There are some drivers that are very friendly and nice, but most of them are just miserable for some reason.
They black cabs, they are actually known to deliberately go the wrong way round.
Yeah, exactly.
Because obviously, because they got the meter, you can just bump up the meter like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Just go the long way round just so you can get more money.
Yeah.
But then at the same time, you're not really getting more money, are you? Because
Wait, what's that? Is that ex-London?
oh fuck. Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's the one we've been on the Thames Link Rail replacement.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, that's a state registration we've been on from Elstree Bourne Wood.
Well, I've been on that hundreds of times, so it wouldn't be nothing new for me.
Yeah. Apparently,
I had an LX05 on this, on Hounslow on the Facebook.
yeah. Apparently, the seats were dusty as well. We've been on it. It was dusty as
I
well.
don't think the company actually cleans their bloody buses.
Yeah. They should do.
They should really. Yeah.
Apparently, they're not getting paid anyway, so if they were getting paid more, then at least they could like clean the seats, not just leave it filthy for some reason.
They're bad.
Yeah.
Even their West Midlands one is quite disgusting as well.
West Midlands, yeah. I've been
I haven't seen that one for ages now.
Yeah, LX.
Maybe a year actually.
Yeah.
I don't know what's happened to it.
Yeah.
One thing I haven't seen for a while is LPD 279.
LPD.
Yeah.
There are some that I've noticed they were transferred to Gray's garage because the 279's got a few of the electro nylons, the tray full wedges. Tomorrow, I'm definitely going for that.
I would
Yeah, it's up to you. Well, it's up to you because you're based around southwest, aren't you? So.
Well, I'm not. I'm normally based on central London and east of it. I've been doing this quite a bit lately because I just don't want to go near central London.
Well, central London is kind of a gutless hole, to be honest. Because every weekend, so there's always protests going on, and it's causing thousands of traffic going on, disruptions everywhere, buses, curtails, diversions. Like even the 12 is the worst. They always curtail like Everett Castle.
I'll be honest, try the 26 because they don't listen to TfL rules.
Yeah.
They failed to stop Waterloo, at Westminster Bridge, Waterloo Bridge. They don't want to stop it even though you stick them out now.
Well, it doesn't go to Waterloo anymore. It's going to Victoria.
Yeah, but if it's on a diversion, they have to stop still.
Well, yeah. I don't know why drivers don't freaking understand
so
that.
So technically it still does go Waterloo.
Yeah.
Only when a protest is on.
Yeah, exactly. There's always protests going on every weekend in central London. That's why I don't go central London quite often now, because there's always trouble goes on. Too much traffic. It's too stressful.
I'm mainly avoiding it because of all these threats we've had lately.
Yeah.
East London, I've got those BDLF.
Oh, to be honest, like the RATP group on the Route 18 is kindly the worst. They're always curtailing too near towards Holston. I prefer 18 with Metroline because they were the best company ever. RATP group was doing a shit job.
Yeah, but they always do. It's alright, you don't have to deal with RATP for much longer.
Well, yeah. Because I've heard first group's coming back.
So basically, the ADEs that were refurbished for the 293 are basically getting unrefurbished.
Yeah.
But then here's the thing, 293 don't use ADEs as much now.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No bloody...
How enough, we're posting Clapham Junction.
Yeah.